How are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. It's your man Michael Armstrong. We are here to make some money in the market, and we are trading our $3 account, and we are doing that using our AI power trading bot today, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with our AI power trading bot and see how much money we're gonna make in this session. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below this video, and make sure you like the video as well so that the algorithm will send you much more of my videos. Check the description. There's gonna be a link for you to join our free Telegram channel. There you have access to free signals, copy trade. You get access to our AI products, AI power trading, but we're using today, and our AI screener as well. You get access to much more notifications whenever we go for live stream and when we go for live broadcast. So make sure you hit that link. It's also clipped in the comment section for you. We're gonna go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, and hit the market with some cryptocurrencies. For a start, I'll be risking 100% my account balance, and we'll be scaling up, and we'll be taking our trades on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board. What the position is going to be for cryptocurrency Toncoin OTC. This is our first trade for today. This is going to be our first win. We are about to find our Toncoin OTC on 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're going to hold on tight and see how this is going to play out, ladies and gentlemen. AI power trading bot version 2.0 predicting this to be a sell on 30 seconds. Volatility level set to be medium, success probability set to be high. All right, we're gonna hold on tight and see, ladies and gentlemen, patiently how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 10 seconds left. Patiently waiting and holding on. First trade for today, $3 on the line on 30 seconds. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have secured our first win for today. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on BNB OTC. Maximum account risk. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for BNB OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, BNB OTC on 30 seconds, it is gonna be a buy and buy. We're gonna hold on and see, people, how this is gonna play out. The buyers are prominent. This is looking like a bullish trend. Hopefully this is gonna be our second win for today. BNB OTC predicted by our AI power trading bot version 2.0 to be a 30 seconds buy. Highly volatile, success probability said to be high. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. All right. 9 seconds left on the timer. It is looking good. The buyers are dragging us up. Yes, this is looking good for us, ladies and gentlemen. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Second trade secured, and we are cruising hardly. We are cruising high. Polygon OTC, that's gonna be our next trade. Maximum account balance risks $11 on the line. Asking our AI power trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for Polygon OTC, people. On Polygon OTC on 30 seconds, how is it gonna look like? It is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on tight to see how it is gonna play out, people. Predicted by our AI power trading bot version 2.0 that this is gonna be a 30 second sell. Strong volatility level, success probability said to be high. 17 seconds left on the timer. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 12 seconds left and waiting. Is this gonna be our third win for today? We're about to find out. The sellers are dragging us down. It is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Yes, we have just hit the $21 mark, ladies and gentlemen. We are cruising high and hard. Nice day to be in the market, making some cool money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and hit the stock market with it as our next trade. $21 on the line on 30 seconds. We're risking 100% of our account balance, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and ask our AI power trading bot for the stock Boeing Company OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, on 30 seconds, it is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is going to be playing out, ladies and gentlemen. This is predicted by our AI power trading bot to be a sell. Boeing Company selling 30 seconds, volatility level high, success probability said to be high. All right. We're risking 100% on this trade. This is gonna be our fourth trade of this session. Thanks to AI power trading bot, we traded this account from $3 to 21.24. 6 seconds left on the timer, and we're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. That's another win for us. We just hit the $40 mark, ladies and gentlemen, and we are cruising high. Next is gonna be Cisco OTC, risking $40. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot for the stock. The stock Cisco OTC, and ladies and gentlemen, Cisco OTC on 30 seconds. It is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order. We're gonna hold on and see how this is going to be playing out, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds volatility level set to be medium, success probability set to be high. 21 seconds left on the timer. Is this gonna be another win, ladies and gentlemen? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. 15 seconds left on the timer. 13 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on and see how this is going to be playing out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 6 seconds left on the timer, almost there. It looks like we're gonna have another win. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. We just secured another win for us today, and we are cruising high on our account balance. We just hit a $78 mark, and it is looking good. Next trade, 30 seconds timer. We're gonna be hitting the market with $78. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot for the stock Facebook Inc. OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, Facebook Inc. OTC on 30 seconds, it is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and secure a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is going to be playing out, ladies and gentlemen. Prediction by our AI powered trading bot version 2.0 is that this is gonna be a 30-second sell, volatility level strong, and success probability said to be high. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 13 seconds left on the timer and 11 seconds and holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. 9 seconds left. Is this gonna be another win for us? We're about to find our 5 seconds, people. 4 seconds and 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we just secured our next win. We just hit the $150 mark, and we are cruising high, ladies and gentlemen. Intel OTC, that's gonna be our next trade, and we are setting our kind of maximum risk. Let's go ahead and ask our trading for the stock Intel OTC. And Intel OTC, people, on 30 seconds, it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade, holding on tight and seeing how this is gonna play out. It looks like a bearish market, but the fact that our AI powered trading bot is predicting this a buy, we're gonna expect and anticipate a pullback, and yes, it is happening. 20 seconds left on the timer. Prediction buy, 30 seconds, volatility level medium, success probability said to be high. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the buys are coming in. It is looking good for us. And on our timer, ladies and gentlemen, we have 11 seconds left, 10 seconds are holding on tight. Is this gonna be our next win? We are about to find out. $150 on the line, and we are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We just hit our next win. The internet is holding us back, but we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna show out. Yes, it is gonna be a win. Intel OTC, we just secured our next win, and our account balance at the moment is $2,288. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, McDonald's OTC. Maximum risk, that's $288 on the line. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is going to be for the stock McDonald's OTC. McDonald's OTC, ladies and gentlemen, on 30 seconds, it is going to be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're going to hold on tight and see how this is going to play out, people. 27 seconds left on the timer, and we are buying. It is looking like a bearish market, but we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. Prediction by our artificial intelligence powered trading bot version 2.0 is that this is gonna be a medium volatility level trade, success probability said to be high. So holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 6 seconds left on the timer, 4 seconds and waiting, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Interestingly, we just hit our $554 mark, ladies and gentlemen. This is nothing short of amazing. We traded this account for $3, and we are already on $554. Nice and smooth. That's gonna be our next trade. We're gonna be risking $554 on this trade on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for the stock Pfizer Inc. OTC. And Pfizer Inc. OTC on 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, it is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted by our AI powered trading bot to be a 30-second sell, highly volatile, success probability said to be high. So holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. AI powered trading bot version 2.0 giving us this trade, and as we can see, the sellers are dragging down the market. On our timer, we have 11 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be another win? We are about to find our 6 seconds left on the timer, 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it is a break even. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. And what is that gonna be? It is gonna be on ExxonMobil OTC. Maximum risk, 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for our stock ExxonMobil OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, ExxonMobil OTC on 30 seconds, it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on and see how this is going to be playing out, people. Predicted by our AI powered trading bot to be a buy, 30 seconds. Volatility level said to be strong, and success probability said to be high. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 17 seconds left on the timer. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. 13 seconds. The sellers are dragging down, the buyers are holding us high. Is this gonna be a win? We're about to find out. 5 seconds left on the timer. We are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 2 seconds, 1, and there you go. nice and smooth. We have just hit the 1064 mark. This is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Traded this account from $3 and we are already hitting 1064. That's gonna be our next trade. We are risking everything we've got, 100%. That's $1064. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the position is gonna be for Visa OTC, and on 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. Holding on tight, people. This is our next trade. AI Power Trading Board prediction going good so far, 100% track record, and we are about to turn this account to a $2,000 account if this goes well. Prediction by our AI Power Trading Board is that this is gonna be volatility level high, success probability high. Holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. 9 seconds left on the timer and we are cruising high, looking good so far, so good, ladies and gentlemen. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. We just hit the 2000 mark and we are cruising high in this market. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, and for that next trade, is it gonna be another? Yes, it's gonna be another stock, Johnson & Johnson OTC, and I will be risking how much of my account balance? Maximum my account balance. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and find out what the prediction is gonna be for the stock Johnson & Johnson OTC. Ladies and gentlemen, this is potentially my last trade of this session. If this runs in, this is gonna be our last win for today, and we can call it a day. $3 to almost $3,800. We are about to find out if this is gonna be a win, and it is gonna be a sell, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. Johnson & Johnson OTC prediction by our AI Power Trading Board version 2.0 to be a sell. 30 seconds sell, volatility level set to be high, and success probability set to be high. We are risking $2,043 on this trade, ladies and gentlemen. We're expecting 3,082 by the end of it, 3,820 at the end of this. 9 seconds left on the timer. Is this gonna be the last moment of this trade? We're about to find out. 4 seconds left on the timer, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we just hit the $3,820 mark. It has been a good time in the market. AI Power Trading Board giving us the catches in the market. We started trading this account from $3, as you can see, and we were able to turn this account into a $3,820. Subtracting our initial investment, which is gonna be, we're subtracting from 3,820.47. We're gonna go ahead and subtract a total of $3, which is our investment. In total today, ladies and gentlemen, we made 3,817.47 USD. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a good time in the market today using our AI Power Trading Board, an amazing product giving us the direction in the market. All we have to do was give an ask of the pair or crypto wanna trade. With the time frame, it just executes and gives us whether to buy or to sell. We have been able to take all our trades to the 100% track record. So it's your man Michael Armstrong. Before I sign, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There is a link to our Telegram VIP channel. There you have access to free signals, copy trade. You get to get your own products like what we've used today, our AI Power Trading version 2.0 our scanner. Ladies and gentlemen, you are also going to be notified on whenever we go for live trading and so on. All right. I'm going to be signing out now. We should go look in the market, more money, and see you next time. Bye.